Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
We're gonna start our session today. Just give a couple of minutes so everyone can join, and I can open up the serum on my end too. Okay, it looks like everyone is here. In this video, we're gonna really apologize for my sore throat, but I'll make sure that everyone hears perfectly fine. So let me share my screen in this video. Mhm. Okay, so in this session, we're going to talk about the chat widgets, because we are discussing the funnels part, and we have discussed a lot about the appointment funnels and sales funnel, how they works and the opportunity moves on. So in this specific session, we're going to talk about how we can create surveys and chat widget. And I'm gonna go ahead and make this session more, productive, and we gotta have to make sure that everyone learn it, because at the end of the session, I'm gonna assign everyone some kind of task so that they can do it, and in the next section, we'll be checking on that too. Okay. So in this specific session, this is going to be very simple, but not that very easy. If you go to the account in the site section, you know that we always create the funnels websites under the site section, and you might see an option over here which is called as blogs. We'll come to that part as well, because this is on also a part of the site sections. So I want to make sure that I cover everything here regarding sites. WordPress, it's itself a big topic over here, so we'll cover that later. And now we'll just make sure that form, surveys, chat widget, which is the very basic stuff over there, and which is always been a part of our journey in the account when it comes to sales funnels or appointment booking funnels, or how to even utilize the chat. So first of all, we gotta see that how we can go ahead and create forms. Yeah, I think I have already explained that, but just to give you an overview, if you want to create any kind of form, it would be not under the marketing, not under the automation. It has to be under the sites, because the form is something which will be added over the websites or your funnel. So it's under the site section always. And if you go to the forms, you'll see form builder, and always there is an option to create a folder to organize the forms in a much better way. So if you click on this folder, we can go ahead. Okay, now I would like to add a form. You can always choose from scratch and choose a template. I'll go for scratch so I can guide you the best, and how you can basically customize and optimize the forms in there. So here we go. If we click over here, we have the option to add quick elements, which is always first name, last name, full name, form, and email. Remember, the last name has to be just after the first name. Perfect. Now you can always add additional things. Like, for example, if you want to add any image, you can go ahead and click over there. If you want to create any custom field, you can go to custom field area and pick for any custom field. For example, maybe what is any additional information, for example. Or if you want to create another option, like, let me just add, okay, you might see a button over there. Yeah, add custom field. So if you want to create a custom field, you can go and simply add a new one. Like, for example, okay, phone number. What kind of phone number is it? Is it kind of office phone number, or where do you want to place that into additional information? Click save. And now again, you just need to search on office phone number and head it over there. And always make sure whatever you want to do, make sure it's enable country picker. That's the best practice actually, and make it required or optional, whatever your choice is. So once you click save, always you're gonna have to make sure you update the name. It's gonna be like phone, sorry, home, others, custom form. And once you click on saving, make sure you always style and options, because there are a lot of themes you can apply. Maybe you can apply this theme. If I click on this, it can also modify most of the things over there, modify the CSS. And if you want to apply, maybe we can use a little more professional theme over there. So yeah, this seems fine. Okay, so if you go to options, make sure you always change the size. If you want to, you can change the settings over there, and I like to go with that. And if you want to integrate the form somewhere on a WordPress website, on so maybe on a third-party website, which is not the part of the sales process CRM, you can always set the layout, for example, inline, what type of trigger you want to do upon scrolling, upon activation, upon deactivation, and you copy the embed code and place the embed code on that specific, and it should be working. But in case you just want link, grab that link. You don't even want to use a funnel. Just copy that link and paste it over here, and you guys will be able to um, add it over here. Yeah, the button will be automatically be created if you have not added a button, because without a button, you would not be able to finalize it. So if you forgot to add a button, you can always go ahead and add one, or otherwise CRM will automatically go ahead and add the button for you. So in this case, for example, I want to add it here, make it centralized, and yeah, if you save it, so it's gonna be like your own customized button. Okay, so I'm not gonna spend much time here because this is something that we have already covered off, and I just go back and start all the surveys. So this is something I believe that we haven't started yet. Survey is very important, and this is a great feature. A lot of people have been using for surveys for qualification of the leads and disqualification of the leads, and making the quizzes and set up the conditional logics behind it. So we'll see how we can set up one survey for us. So if you click on add survey, add from scratch. So survey has slides over there. In one slide, you can have either one question or either multiple questions of a specific category. And then, for example, you are collecting a survey of personal health. Maybe you are collecting the information of an employee. So in the first part of the survey, you can collect their personal information. The second part could be their financial information, something like that, just to like, give you an idea. So if you click on plus, click add, you'll be able to first of all add the first name, last name, and email, phone, and yeah. The next step, this add slide. Maybe you can add a custom field over there. What are you satisfied? Always, this is gonna be always like with the business question and processes. So I'm just giving you an example. So maybe some another question down there. Okay, then another maybe just to 4 slides. Okay, so just a random question I picked up from the my custom field. You can always have your own. And what is gonna be this qualification method? So if I say that, let me see how we get that. So if you go to the settings over there, this is just some, yeah, you can always add the background images, header images, and you can always add custom CSS if you want to change with more look and feel. Always apply the themes. And here is we have the disqualification message. For example, if you want to submit when someone disqualifies, what you want to send them, and whenever disqualify, how you want to do that. Are you going to redirect them to a URL or give them a message? And you can always make one question at a time if you click on that. So one question will be given to the customer one by one, and you can always disable the top navigation. You can choose GDPR compliant. See, these are just all the features we have. I can turn off this one question at a time for now because I just created slides over there. Okay, let me save that so that it don't get lost. Okay. Okay, let me see what we can do there. Okay, there's another amazing feature that we can do the qualification over there. How we can do that? If you let me just move that for a second. Okay, so if you click on the settings of slide 2, it's gonna see what would happen that if someone replies to this specific, you can go to switch slide 3 or switch slide 4. So in that way, you can basically switch the slides between the actions you have made over there. So this is how you would be able to switch between the slides. So if I click save, I click integrate, you can there's a link, and if you open that, it's gonna show up something like that. So if I fill up the form, and I click agree, it's gonna move to the next part. So this is how it's gonna work. Okay, perfect. So let's go back. And the best, the most feature that we are working on is the chat feature. This is the another best way where you can get the leads without a form. And people will usually be like to use this chat feature for the live chat purpose and just for the inquiry purpose as well. So if you come over there, the chat widget, you will find an option of chat bubble. So there are one, two, three, and four. So if you click on chat bubble here, you see you enable the chat bubble. Okay, it's gonna be like this preview here. Hi, if you have a question, you can always customize that information over there, and you can always change the avatar. You can always enable custom greetings. For example, when someone come back, like it's gonna always welcome back, and it's gonna show your name, how we can help you today. And what type of chat is gonna be like? Is it gonna be a SMS or email chat, or is this gonna be a live chat? The difference between both of these is whenever you select this one, SMS or email chat, what will happen? The customer will add his email, his phone, his email and message and send. And the information will be sent to the users and they will be getting back to you shortly, but they have to get back to you via either email or either the SMS. But if you select on live chat over here, uh, the message will be sent to the user and they will be responding right away over here. So that's between live chat and difference between a SMS or email chat. So I'm gonna first of all set this here and we're gonna go ahead and implement that chat widget on our website and see how it works.
I have
And
a
if we go to the
question.
widget windows, and here's something you can always modify the header section if you have any question, enter message, this one, email field required. If you don't want to keep that required, you can remove that. Call to action is this button action over there, legal message. And this is over here. You can always change that widget color, okay, as per your brand. And acknowledgement settings is gonna be like thank you, we'll contact you shortly. This is something you can change your email and message over there as well.
I have a
So
question.
once you click save, you might be wondering, okay, if it's saved, then how we can go ahead and implement that on a specific website, or maybe I don't want to add that on another funnel or website. So there is an option get code. You don't need to worry about. This is not something we're going to do right now. We just have to go to our funnels over there. So funnels, I'm wondering which funnel we worked on. So for example, we create this calendar and I want to add this chat widget on my calendar. So I'm gonna go to settings. I'll make sure that if I scroll down, there's an option of chat widget down there. You just have to simply enable that and click save. And if you open up the funnel, you will see that there is a chat widget just right over there. So in this case, now if okay, I'm Heather, I wanna contact someone and I add in my phone number, my email. What's gonna happen? I'm gonna send this and this message will be sent to the user in the system and you see that there is no way. Oh yes, you can definitely do that. I'm just showing you that. So right now what is happening that this is just a email and SMS right now and I have no way that I can reply back, or the customer or the user support could reply back to me over here. Okay, so what's gonna happen right now? So let me pull the bar down and go back to CRM. If I go to the conversation over here, you will see that my contact is created. And based on the automation, we will be creating an automation of that as well. That when someone send a message, this has to be a go to a pipeline. It has to be assigned to a user and notified to the internal team, and then we can reply back. Because this way, no one would know that there is a message lying over there. And now the only option user has is either email or SMS to reach out. That's the drawback, that we have an option. We have basically an opportunity that customer will be going to be lose. So what if we change that over to a live chat feature, so that everyone, whenever they comes over there, they can do the live chat conversation with us. So let's do that. We go to sites and recent. Great. Yeah, we just have to go chat widget. And now chat type is gonna be the live chat, and we are going to save it. Now let's go back and just refresh our funnel. So if you click on here, you will see that there is no way I can enter my information. Now I see, hi, I am looking for someone on the team to speak with. Give us a minute to assign you the best person to go. Okay, now what's the next step? If we go to over here under the conversation and unread, you will see that there is a guest or visitor and some alphanumeric digits over there. And this is the same message I did. I'm looking for someone on the team to speak with. So I'm gonna do what I'm gonna do the live chat here. Hey, Heather, or maybe because I don't have the person's name, so we'll say, hey, hope you are doing well. This is maybe Heather, how may I help you? I'm gonna send that message. And if I go back to the funnel, you see, I will be receiving, hope you're doing well. This is Heather, how may I help you? This is the end user is receiving this message over there. Okay, now I'm gonna add um, uh, can you please have a meeting with me so I can learn more about CRM. Okay, now go back. I see it's going runtime. Now what I'm gonna do, sure, before that, would you be able to pass me some information? And at this time, I would request the contact details, because at the moment there is the contact is not a lead. It's just a guest user, nothing else. And I say, okay, please share contact details. It should be giving me a form over there right now. Oh yeah, it's already there. So I'm gonna go ahead and send that. Text. Okay, so this was the information I gave. And you see, it has become my name. I'm no longer the guest right now. and I got the information. And this is how I will be able to do the SMS, email, and a live chat right now. And obviously, I can, assign them to different agents, assign them to a lead, and then end the conversation here as well, like end live chat when I'm done dealing with this customer. So in that case, I can give the review, or I'm gonna go ahead and start a new conversation as well. Okay, so this is how you can basically go ahead and start a conversation over here with the client and start on the. Okay, perfect. Yeah. So this is how we do. Now, the another main thing, like how do we set up an automation that when someone start a reply, someone initiate the conversation over there. So it's pretty simple. It's all about this creating a workflow, start from scratch. First of all, the trigger should be customer replied. Okay, now if the customer has replied, it's gonna trigger. But we have to define the system. Where do customer reply? Either customer reply on SMS, either customer reply on Facebook, or either customer reply on the chat widget. So we have to always define to the system. Otherwise, this workflow is gonna keep on running every time when someone got a reply on no matter what platform. So we click add filters, and we will add reply channel. Reply channel is chat widget. There's a bunch of features: WhatsApp, SMS, Instagram, chat widget. Apply filter or intent type. Maybe if you want to say that intent is positive, that customer has a positive response, customer has a negative response. So for example, if someone is bashing over the chat and say freaking out, so you can click negative, and then you can give them a reply of something like I can understand your frustration right now. Let me give this chat to an agent so that you can get help, so that we can make more personalized, uh, kind of workflows. And again, we can always apply if the contain phrase this, if it doesn't have a tag this, or if it has the exact match phrase this. Okay, so this is always we can go ahead and apply the triggers. If the customer replied in the chat widget, we can whatever we can do is we can assign it to the user. We can assign it to Sam, and then we can notify internal team to the assigned user. Hey, user dot name, please note someone is looking for the conversation. Okay, just like that. So just an idea about it. So this is how you can create the customized workflow based on the requirements out there. So yeah, so that's all it. We just covered about the and that decides how to create forms, how to create surveys, how to create chat widgets, and how to implement the chat widgets in the funnel, and how we can essentially go ahead and create an automation of that. Media, yeah. If you have any media, images, ebooks, lead magnets, anything which can be hosted over online or Google Drive or OneDrive, you can always use a CRM to load these images and then use that for wherever you want to add it. So in that case, blogs, that's a separate, total separate thing. We are gonna discuss in detail how it works, and client portal, WordPress, and the blogs. This is the main three features that we're gonna discuss. We're gonna take all the time to work on that. Yes, Johan, exactly. This is the same media in the funnels where we put images. This is the same. So you can basically go ahead and access every media from which you have uploaded while you were working and creating the funnel. You can see these all the images are over there. So either you start uploading the images and funnels and videos here and then start working on the funnels. That's totally fine. Or either you can upload the images while creating the funnels from the funnel builder. So that's totally up to you. It's the same media actually. All right. So let me check on something if we have left over there in this specific section, because this section is a very important, and when it comes to forms and surveys, this is very crucial that you guys understand how the forms and survey works. Otherwise, CRI would not be able to collect the leads, and if there is no leads, there is no money, no conversions. So we have to always make sure we create the forms correctly, we set up the automations correctly, so that it works fine. So admin is fine, and so yeah, if anyone have any specific question regarding the what we worked on today, can please raise that question in the chat so that we can discuss about it. And you guys, next task would be to implement whatever we have learned so far. Uh, you guys can create a funnel for the appointment where you can schedule. You can create a calendar and add a calendar over there on a funnel, and make sure you add the form, a custom form in a calendar. Create a chat widget over there, and when the appointment is booked, there should be an automation like that. So that's the like we'll be checking on something that how it has worked, and because we gotta track on the KPI base that how people are learning today. Okay, I'll let the team know, Sanjay, that to give the access to you. I'll double check with the team and make sure that you have the access correctly. Johan, any questions so far from today's lecture? Yeah, I'll let Sanjay. I'll just let the team know that you have applied for the details, and they will get back to you as soon as possible. I'll just give them a heads up and reminder. Okay. This session usually starts 5 p.m. PST, but this today, due to some technical problem, Zoom was not able to get started. So I was actually starting the room from the last 5 minutes, but so we started at 5:10 p.m. PST. So yeah, so it's gonna be for every Tuesday 5 p.m. where we'll be going over all the CRM things over there and how it works and everything. You can also check back the recording as well. All right, so if everyone is clear, we can go ahead and correct. Yeah. For the recordings, I'll just send you the link inside the Slack channel so that you can access the recording over there. Once this is also uploaded, you will finding the all the recordings over there in the link which I will be sharing with you shortly after the call. Yeah, so essentially you are new. So I believe that you don't have the access to Slack channel as well. So he will be adding you to Slack channels and you will be added over there with every information. Okay, sounds great. So we'll just make sure that we guys have to always make sure that whenever it comes to CRM, you always try to practice the things. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult for you to understand how the technical things are working. And because CRM, our developer team is, growing day by day, and we're continuously working on the system and new features and implementing the new things. So every day I learn new thing over there in the system. So if I learn, so it's just gonna be definitely be like for you as well. So we just have to always make sure that we never get outdated and keep our things flowing smoothly with the system and keeps working on it. So yeah, thank you so much for being on the call, and I'll just make sure that this recording is available so that you can get a view of it. So take care, and if you have any questions, then feel free to reach out me over to Slack. So I'll be happy to help you with that.